Alright fellas, a little diagnostics tool haul here. This is from NAPA. This is not part of their real deals right now, even though they do have scanners in their real deal flyer. And I almost went with the Altel, but you know, I did a little talking, a little sniffing around, and old Keith from New Level Auto, link in the corner, he said go with this one. That's what I went with. Oh sweet, this side up. I'm probably going to screw that up quite often. Hell of a lot of connectors right there. I am not sure what all this thing does. We're definitely going to be playing around with it at the shop. But let's just see what else comes with. A little charging cord, I'm going to need that. Oh, they know I blow fuses. Gonna need them. Connected right up to the old 12 volt battery. So, just a micro USB. So this is a 5 volt, 2 amp. Quite a few more adapters here. Mitsubishi, Hyundai, Nissan. This is just an extension cord. It's launch universal, and it's got a double condom on there. So, yeah, don't be a fool. Wrap your tool. It's a launch Audi i4, Mercedes-Benz, and a Fiat. I hope I never have to use this, but then again, it's all money and it all spends. Most of the time, those people drive the Mercedes and BMWs and all that other Euro trash. They got the money to go ahead and pay to get it fixed. Yeah, it might actually work out. So that's what she looks like. X431 Pro, the little camera on there. Powered by the devil. As you can see, it is Bluetooth, so yeah, it's gonna be nice. There you go. Tuesday, April 23rd, 1:50 a.m. That is not right at all. It did come with 36% power, Google Chrome. See, I don't know anything about Android. I'm gonna have to take this in there and play with it, and connect it to, you know, the old Gmail and all that kind of stuff. The internet first and foremost. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Oh, and you know, this is basically just an unboxing. This is all the crap that it comes with. I'm gonna throw out videos on this whenever they come to, and I have time to film it and play around with it. But yeah, it's takes some getting used to. Oh, that's gonna be super helpful, because I will forget that OBD connector in there time and time again. Yeah, as always, like, comment, share, subscribe, love, hate, hardknocksforge, gmail.com. Don't send me any panties. They never fit.